Hello friends, welcome to the small kitchen tour. As you can see, my kitchen is not so big. It's a small kitchen and it's a challenge for all of us if we are having a small kitchen to maintain it and to keep all our things sorted out. So the first and best rule for the small kitchen is that we need to keep our things minimal. If we put a lot of things in our kitchen, it will be seem always overloaded and you cannot find out the things that you want to look for. So we can start our kitchen tour. So this is the first cabinet that I am having. I keep all the stuff that are food that are open packets here in this box and the water bottle of the children's. It's very sorted out cabinets. And the second one is having all the bowls and all the oil and ghee container in it. It's very easy and accessible to put things like here. And in the next cabinet, I put my flour container it and I keep it always clean and some trays are also there. And here I place my all cutlery, spatula, balance and all spoons etc. It's also very well organized. I don't keep much stuff here, only the required things are here. And the cabinet downstairs is having all the large utensils. In this cabinet, I put all my plates, small and large, and all the glasses here because it's very easily accessible from here for the kids as well. And here also I put my all large and small dongas utensils that are required frequently. Now on the countertop, I don't keep much things here because I like this clean and clear look so I can do my all work easily. So you can see it's very clean and clear look. Now we comes to the upper cabinets. This cabinet is having all the cutlery like glass, cup and all the glass containers. It's very well organized and looks very nice also. So you can take the idea from here. Now this cabinet is dedicated to all the containers having sugar, tea and all the pulses, spices and other stuff that we frequently use for our cooking purpose. Overloaded stuff never looks good, so I frequently declutter it timely always. And the next cabinet is having all the bone china containers, dongas and everything. These are easily breakable so I keep them separate and this area is contained all the lunch boxes and the other boxes here. Things organized in a well manner looks always nice and give motivation to work in the kitchen because it's so too hot in India to work in kitchen. So if your kitchen is well organized, it's give you a positive vibe. So this is all about my kitchen. Kindly comment and tell me if you like it and how you keep your kitchen well organized. Kindly subscribe my channel.